Here in my hand today, I have my Medusas Makeup Cruelty-free and Vegan Beauty Subscription Box. Oh my goodness, I have wanted to try this box for such a long time, and it's finally here in my hands. So if you've never heard of it, this box is basically around $16 a month. You get 4 full-size products. Everything is cruelty-free and vegan, and with all of that said, I'm gonna shut up and get into this box. Okay, actually, we're gonna appreciate the packaging first. It is really, really pretty, but, okay, so let's look inside. It is so beautiful. Look at that. Look at the card. Okay. So it says Medusas Escape the Ordinary. Female founded, cruelty-free and vegan. Celebrating diversity and making the world a more colorful place. Okay, so here's the tissue paper. We're gonna flip it back. We have stickers. Oh my gosh, my little sister's gonna be so happy. She's going back to school. She's starting her senior year. And she's been decorating. She's like, I'm gonna go all out and I'm gonna be super extra for my senior year. So she's decorated all of her binders, all of her notebooks, everything with stickers, and these are so cute. Like, look at that little donut, and look at that lipstick. Like, these are so cute. I love these. Oh my god. Okay, so this month's theme is the Happy Birthday box. I am so excited. It has a $55 value in it, so I'm not gonna go and like read more of the card because it has the inside contents, which I'm trying to blur with my hand. Oh my god. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is this raw organic botanical skincare reinvented facial wipe with organic pomegranate and aloe vera. I love the smell of pomegranate. I hate the smell of grapefruit. And I was like, oh no, this is going to be grapefruit, but no, it's lovely pomegranate. So it says removes waterproof mascara made from organic cotton and biodegradable. So this is a makeup wipe that smells like pomegranate. I'm here for it. This is so cute. Okay, I feel like I'm being like extra loud and I'm so sorry if that's like distorting the sound in any way possible. Okay, so then I love keychains and this is so cute. So I'm gonna pull it out so you can actually see it because my ring light is so bright. This says Medusas Makeup Escape the Ordinary 304. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so cute on my purse. Yes, okay. I am freaking out. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is this. I don't even know what it is yet. Look at it, look at the packaging. It says Sweet Cheeks. Okay, but look at the packaging. Look at that little cute icing with the cake. It says it's a double dare blush. I don't know what that means, but I'm going to never throw away the packaging. I hope the actual box looks like this. Because that would be super fun. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And I almost dropped it. It's glittery. Look. That is so pretty. Okay, I'm going to take a quick, oh my god, that is the softest blush I've ever touched in my entire life. I'm just going to keep my finger here. My finger's going to take a nap. This is softer than my mattress. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Yes! Get a look at that! Hold up! Yo, wow, what? Oh my gosh. I'm like, okay, and I'm happy because I was like, oh, I'm just going to scrape off the top layer of glitter, but no. You will be happy to know that the glitter is underneath as well. That is so pretty. I'm not going to be using this as a blush. I'm rubbing this all over my eyes. This is so freaking gorgeous. I literally cannot get over this. I'm just like going to sit here and stare at my hand. It is so pretty, and there's still more inside this box. Okay. So I think I'm gonna go with the brush next because it looks beautiful. I can't even really see everything. I just see glitter, and that's all I need in my life to be happy is glitter. Oh my gosh! Oh! Okay, look! This is so pretty. Okay, please excuse the blush because I just like did this. That is all me. But look how gorgeous this is. Highlight, yes! This is so pretty. Okay, I love getting brushes in my boxes too. It just makes me feel like so special. And this is freaking gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next thing I'm pulling, oh, I have 2 more things and I have to pick which one I want to look at first, but I think I'm going to pick this liquid. Oh, I thought this was going to be a lipstick. No, it's a liquid eyeshadow, which is one of my favorite things ever. I don't really say it enough. I always talk about brushes and highlighters, but I love getting liquid shadows. Look, I used liquid shadow today. Love, love, love getting this. I can't wait. So it says Audrey on top. I'm sorry for destroying the packaging because it's really beautiful, but I'm sure the product inside is going to be way more beautiful. Ooh, it's a fun gold. Okay, let's see what this is all about. This is a very different color. This is honestly not what I was expecting. Ooh, I'm having a little bit of a hard time getting it out, and that's probably just me. Probably using the wrong side of the doe foot out applicator. It's not like completely applying like evenly. Like I feel like I'm really having a hard time getting that. Boom. Okay, that's all we needed was a double coat. Ooh. That's pretty super reflective too. And I like that it's not like powdery feeling. Imagine this on your lips. Like just imagine like living your best life with gold lip topper. Yes. And the last thing that I received in here is this Medusa's makeup glitter in shade Mystique. I am so excited to see what this looks like swatched. Okay, I got the topper off and I just want to like, we're going to just experience this whole thing together. So I don't know about how to go about this without like making a mess, but I'm just shaking some out onto my finger. I feel like that's not working the way I wanted it to. Ah, how do I do this? I'm just going to put some in the lid. There we go. Logic. Okay. Please excuse the tape I have on the bottom of my finger. I can't wait to see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. Oh my goodness. Wait, I probably need like primer. Google, how do I swatch glitter? Because apparently I don't know. This, okay, just like in the jar, it looks so incredibly gorgeous. It's like blue with like, I could just do that. I could just show you. Oh my gosh, you see it? It looks so gorgeous. And it's got like iridescent green to it. Can you see that? Yes. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. Just wanted to get that up close again in case you did not see that because it was too close. So freaking pretty. Okay, this box was everything that I wanted it to be. So gorgeous. I literally got like 1, 2, does the sticker count? Does that count towards the value of the box? That is a good question. Yes, okay, it does. So I got the liquid eyeshadow was $13. The glitter Mystique, which was the glitter, was $8. The Sweet Cheeks Double Dare blush was $13. The glitter blush brush was $9. The bonus item, which is the Motel keychain, has a retail value of $8. The raw organic facial wipe has a retail value of $2, and the Medusa sticker sheet has a retail value of $2 as well. I am so happy with this box. Like seriously, this is so amazing. I love the variety of products that I got in here, and all the shades are so fun and so different, and not just the plain, oh, nude and nude and nude colors that I always seem to get in subscription boxes. This was so freaking cute. That's everything that I got in my August Medusa's makeup box. I'm so happy with this box. It's seriously everything that I wanted it to ever be. I'm like so excited to see what's in next month's box. But what did you guys think of the Medusa's makeup box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.